It's the classic tale of two cars. A little too much speed and zero chill. And just when you thought your morning couldn't get worse, let's watch as these cars attempt some very questionable decisions. Let's go!
Whoa! Oh!
At least everyone was on time for their starring role in the Idiots in Car. If you drive, get a dash cam. It'll save you from all that. This driver witnessed a crash today while working with a beautiful MK7 Golf R. This is a prime example of why reckless driving can have serious consequences. It's good you were there to help. The About the Charger driver was okay, but $6,000 in damage. It's a hefty price for just trying to escape.
God! Ugh!
It's sad, but it often takes incidents like this for people to pay attention to their driving habits. We all need to do better.
Oh my God!
May luck find you wherever you go, and peace stay by your side through it all.
Current loop video is now locked.
Oh!
Utter in the... Nah, this just aggressive car cuddling. The idiot in car must think red means floor. Someone needs to tell him it's not Mario Kart. The Isley Police Department really stepped up in this situation. That thief must receive his karma immediately.
Sweet.
Video is now locked.
Well, that's one way to raise your insurance premium.
Oh shit, shit.
This is why we don't text, eat tacos, and drive simultaneously. After watching the video, please share your thoughts in the comments section below. Who do you think is at fault in this situation? Yeah, your input is valuable and will help in understanding different perspectives on road safety and responsibility. Thank you for watching and for your participation.
I'm sure it feels nice.
And that's how you turn a 2-second red light Hit into a 2-hour crash report.
Keeping to a constant speed, constant distance.
Impact detected. Connecting to the emergency.
Only on the 5 and you get rear-ended and still be late to your appointment. Guess you'll be getting to know your insurance agent a lot better now. Pickup truck, driving down Fremont Road, hits the center divider, spilling out the contents in the truck. A vehicle later makes an illegal right-hand turn at a posted intersection, causing traffic to hit the brakes, nearly causing another incident. When you're trying to get the cops' attention, but not like that. Next time, drive slower when it rains, bro.
Whoa!
Looks like someone just missed his destiny.
Oh my God!
If you are sleepy, then I suggest you find a safe parking space and rest there.
Might have something in there as well.
Hey! Hey!
After traffic backed up on the I-55, a red Pontiac sped past police at 50 miles per hour. The driver fled, but was quickly arrested. Despite denying she was behind the wheel, think twice before fleeing the police if you want to get home safely.
Y'all chasing her? Yeah, no. We're going to traffic stop with her. Hey, stay still. Stay still.
You got fire alarm?
Yeah. Hey.
Hopefully these dents will alert you and help you realize more driving experiences. It's amazing how quickly situations escalate when you're not paying attention. Luckily, the van was still intact.
Mamă, la foc să moară, mă.
Doamne ferește, vezi ce înseamnă?
Tragem pe dreapta.
Du-te mai în față, dar du-te în față. Nu.
A car was traveling against traffic lights and then collided with a Volkswagen and a Nissan. Share your thoughts in the comments and help raise awareness for calm, responsible driving. Hopefully this will be a lesson for you to improve your driving skills. wow, another new skill.
Now.
Save your energy and focus it on other tasks instead of road rage.
Why are you chasing down a girl, dude? Why are you trying to cut people off? What the? You chased me over here? You're crazy. You're insane, bro. Go on, Lord. All right, go on. You chased me, bro.
Looks like someone's car wanted an audition for a role in the Michael Bay movie. Situation handling skills are really important. Congratulations on your safety. If this accidentally happens, the first thing you need to do is take a photo of the license plate or the vehicle condition. Thank you for watching Big Crash Channel's videos. If you enjoyed our journey of discovery, don't miss out on what's next. Subscribe, like, and share our videos. See you soon.